Losing a loved one is hard. And if you've been named as an executor in their will, you might be feeling overwhelmed. Navigating the probate process might seem complex. Going to court probably sounds daunting, but you can do it. We've broken it down into 4 steps. You probably have questions like, so what is probate? Probate is a court process that proves a will is valid, meaning its instructions can be followed. A grant of probate is a document that lets others know you have the right to deal with your loved one's assets. Okay, and how do I do it? First, you must tell certain people in writing that you want to apply for probate. Then, you must wait at least 21 days before you can file your probate application. Next, you make your application. You do this by filing forms and other paperwork with the probate registry. A registry is the official record keeper of the Supreme Court of BC. There are probate registries all across the province. You can find one near you. Step 3. You wait for approval. Waiting times vary. The probate registry weighs up whether to approve or reject your application. If the registry rejects your application, they'll tell you why. So you can fix your paperwork and take another shot at applying. And finally, step 4. If the registry approves your application, you'll need to pay the probate fees. These are based on the value of the estate. The court will now issue you a grant of probate, the end goal of the process. And you're good to go. You're the legal executor with the authority to deal with your loved one's assets. With the grant of probate in hand, you can now start administering the estate, paying debts, and distributing the assets. And that's it. Probating a will. You can do it. You just need to take it step by step. And remember, you can always seek legal help if the issues are complex, like if there are a lot of assets, or if someone is challenging the will. For more on each step in probating a will, visit peopleslawschool.ca.